Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing gets shorted. Next, heat the back glass evenly with a heat gun or hair dryer to about 60 to 80 degrees to soften the adhesive. That's why heating matters. It prevents cracking. Once done, place a suction cup near the edge, lift slightly, and slide a plastic pick into the gap. Make sure to move slowly around the perimeter, keeping pressure even so the glass separates without shattering. With the rear cover off, remove the visible Phillips screws and take out the midframe to expose the battery and connectors. This gives you clear access to the battery connector. Now disconnect the battery connector first. This prevents power running through the board while you work. If adhesive tabs are present, pull them slowly and evenly. For stubborn glue, apply a small amount of 90% isopropyl around the battery edge and gently pry using a plastic tool. After the connector is isolated, lift the battery carefully from the adhesive without bending or puncturing the cells. A thin plastic pick under the cell is safest. Once removed, seat the replacement battery in the same orientation, reconnect the battery connector, and power on the device to test functionality before resealing. This confirms connections are correct. Finally, reapply new adhesive strips, align and press the rear glass, and let it cure for 1 to 2 hours. If the phone won't power, check connector seating and flex cables first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.